campus, and you can see all arrangements are being made for Chief Minister as well as medical minister to arrive and participate in the virtual launch which will be inaugurated around 10:30 to 11 a.m. by Prime Minister of India. Including this particular center, there are 243 centers across the state where the vaccine will be given. Out of that, 237 centers will be giving Covishield, and 6 places will be giving Covaxin for the beneficiaries. So totally 8,14,500 doses of vaccine available in Karnataka. Out of it, 7,17,439 health warriors will be getting this particular vaccine. So as of now, as of today, the medical education minister feels that 24,300 people will be vaccinated on day one. So all this will be health warriors will be getting their SMS on their mobiles. They have to share the OTPs, and the procedure is quite simple, which we have already shown in the dry run, that you have to come over here, share your information, share your OTP number, fill the form, and subsequently you have to go to the vaccine center, take your vaccine and stay back in the observation center for 30 to 45 minutes, where you'll be observed for a while, and after that you'll be allowed to go. So this is a simple process which will be followed, and all 243 centers across Karnataka will be vaccinating health workers today. Back to you, Adhiraj.
Right, Sakiraj Crispino here on the broadcast. I'm also joined by my colleague Aneri. Aneri, you're reporting from Hyderabad. Hyderabad is all set to kickstart the vaccination drive. In the run-up, many of the healthcare workers too will be receiving the first jab of the COVID-19 vaccine. To take us through the preparedness, is Hyderabad ready for the mega vaccine drive? We have seen various dry runs also being carried out in Hyderabad. Your first thoughts on this?
Well, that's right, Christina. When we speak about the state of Telangana, there are nearly 140 centers which have been set up in regard with the vaccine rollout for the day. And also, as you can see, we are here at the Rural Health Center where the vaccination drive will be taking place. And this is the place where they have made arrangements for the interaction with Prime Minister Narendra Modi. There will be a two-way communication from this place, and also this is how it will all start now. There's vaccination officer one who will be sitting there, and that is the waiting room where the person will have to wait once he is registered. As this is a pre-register, as like a electoral process, that's the waiting room where they will have to wait. And later, this is the COVID vaccination room center where the beneficiary or the healthcare worker will be coming, and then here this is the vaccinator room where they have made up all the arrangements. And also in that regard, as you can see, all the preparations have been made, sanitation, and also the boxes where vaccine will be brought in and kept, as Telangana has received nearly 384,000 doses of Covishield and Covaxin. But as per the Government of India's guidelines, they will have to first fill in and form for the Covaxin and later. But Telangana government has as of now decided that they will be giving Covishield vaccine to all the beneficiaries, and also after this vaccination room, they will have to be under observation as per the guidelines, and as we have been seeing in the dry runs also taking place. This is the observation room where the beneficiaries will be observed for nearly 30 minutes, and all the procedures have been mentioned here. This is the process how they have mentioned, and all the beneficiaries can go through. This is an 8-step process where first they will have to register, then they will get the SMS, and later they will have to come to the center and the app which has been developed for COVID vaccination, and then they will be vaccinated, observation for 30 minutes. All this process have to be mandatory followed, and nearly 140 centers in Telangana state across where today the vaccination rollout program will be taking place.